So in the Tree Bible, he says that Okwasea Faso no entiasie bono na wakachiri ni penna wonoa na ekachiri ni penna se no Okwasea wo pian piasie bono no dwuma wodi no no eti owura no awowo islegon ho no anano ne yire awo by operation 3 births, 2 twins and 3 births. It will islegon ho no ye po ye no tutu ne nai wo ne yas ne yira yas obano awaye operation no. This is why I quoted that scripture to the young man and tiasia bo Okwasea. And it was not coming from Kofi Odro. It was Ecclesiastes chapter 10 and verse. So you cannot be a born again Christian walking about in our midst without understanding. Now let me explain understanding in the terms, in contemporary terms that you can understand. Understanding is discretion. Understanding is carefulness. Understanding is circumspection. Understanding is that there's a many idea me and Kenya that is understanding. Understanding is that mabeya body of free means come fear that is understanding. Understand, I have understanding that Christ no a woman meno and me it would me kwan we would but I understand that I am running a race of life. Yeah, and the race of life has time with it. Yeah, mabawa forever. Do you want to see no nimsa? Yeah, well, forever. Do you want to see no? You see, this is why God was teaching the nation of Israel. He started in Deuteronomy chapter 32, and then whilst he was building up, he made a submission in verse number 5, and then he started talking to them, the nation of Israel. Deuteronomy the 32 chapter, and then let's go to verse 4. In the 4th verse, he said the rock, he is the rock, his work is perfect. He was teaching Israel that anything that a person begins to do in the form of work or building a marriage or a family or building a nation, no, they must be able to sit down and structure it. The structuring comes from understanding. It is where we apply knowledge, and in the process of applying knowledge it becomes wisdom, but when we culminate it, it becomes understanding.